I'm Masud Rana. Are you uploading videos regularly on YouTube, but not getting views? Not gaining subscribers? Your channel is not growing? Then this video is especially for you. Today I'm going to explain how you can grow your YouTube channel faster by promoting your videos through Google Ads on YouTube. Many creators think that after uploading a video, views will come automatically. But the reality is, millions of videos are uploaded every single day. Why should people find and watch your video? This is where Google Ads becomes powerful. With Google Ads, you can target specific countries, choose specific age groups, target people based on interests, reach audiences related to your niche. This means your video will be shown directly to people who are actually interested in your content. What results can you expect? Real and targeted views, increased subscribers, more likes and comments, higher engagement, faster channel growth. When your video gets targeted traffic, YouTube's algorithm starts recognizing your content and may recommend it to more viewers organically. I'm Masud Rana. I professionally set up Google Ads campaigns for YouTube video promotion at a low budget. I don't just increase views. I bring targeted audiences who are genuinely interested in your content. If you want faster channel growth, more subscribers, better engagement, stronger channel authority, then contact me through the WhatsApp number given in the video description. I will help you set up the right strategy according to your budget. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.